today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Wix app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go down, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you click on your photo profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click on notification settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, you click on your name. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just come here to marketplace here, Samsung here tracking, clicking this sign or this color. So like you see color here, so in here can you select, you click for 1 week, then automatically it's going to disable with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.